Hello, all my beautiful, beautiful fish keeping friends. This is my iwigami inspired nature aquarium, or aquascape, shall I say. These are yellow neocardinas, celestial pearl danios. You got your harlequin rasbora. They were sold to me as a Florida rasbora, I believe, but I also have Armano shrimp. There's one right there. Not quite too big yet. I heard those things can live like 20 something years. If that's true, please comment. I also have a sorority. There's a little girl. And I have another white female beta named Sylvia, which is right there. Little girl just got in yesterday, but they're getting along great. No fin nippage or anything. See? She just plays her part, stays out of the way. No filter. It's got a little pump. I got some flugel stratum for my substrate, some seeded white sugar sand, and a mixture of like lava stones and river stones, API root tabs, some dwarf hair grass. I got a thing of regular hair grass up here that I'm gonna plant, and some Monte Carlo. I got this fern, and I got a water hyacinth back around there, and these palms. And I tried to keep it iwigami, you know, 2 species, you know, like 5 rocks, odd number. Your sacrifice rock, your mother stone, father stone, and I forget the name of that one. It's got a Japanese name usually. They all do, but anyways, like I was saying, you just get out of control and you can't stop yourself. Less is more, I guess you'd say. Alright, well, sorry for battling y'all. I love y'all. I wish y'all love. I wish y'all health, and I wish y'all wealth.